Okay, guys, I'm very happy that for the past few days now, we've been working together on this non-repaint trading indicator. Okay, and of course, we've been checking out how it works, how we can put it into use to our own advantage. Okay, and I'm really happy that so many people are really learning very fast using this trading indicator, and I've been getting so many positive results about this. People have been telling me that it has helped them to improve their trading activities. Okay, that is not the end of it, guys. We still have a few things to check out before we put this training to an end, and we'll try as much as possible to cover up for those things in today's video. So just sit tight and watch this video to the end. If you are joining me for the first time, or probably you missed out from some of the training, you can go back to my channel and watch the training. I think it started from, let me see, this is the part 3. You can go back and check, start from here, guys. You start from here. So this is the part 1, part 2, and of course we've got part 3 here, part 4 here, and right now we've done the part 6, so we'll be doing the part 7 today. So stay tuned and watch all these to the end. So if you missed out from the previous ones, I will advise you to start from the first part till before you get to the one we will be doing today. Okay, so sit tight and watch this video to the end. So if you're joining me for the first time and you are here to subscribe to this channel, I will advise you to do so right away, because you will get the right information on this channel. And if you have any question, kindly drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me on WhatsApp for personal question. I will be there to reply you. So let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said, this is a non-repaint custom-made indicator called 3M trend milker indicator. Okay, and of course guys, it gives us the direction of the trend and also helps us to know our entry points and of course our exit points. Okay, so all these are very important. This is just to help us understand how the markets work and even analyze better. So quickly, let's start with this. Yesterday, I actually showed you that if you should watch my review yesterday, I said this was actually going up, but it has the opportunity to break out below this particular support zone to sell more. And the reason which I gave was we still have more places, more profits to pick out from here, and that was what happened. It broke out below it to sell more. That is the benefit of you having a good trading tool. Now, let's check it out. We've been discussing about this trading tool on M1 and M5, but today we'll be checking out M15, M30, and if possible, H1. Okay, so right now we are on M15. You can see right here it got to the resistance zone, played around there for a very long time, gave us some sell signals at this point, but there is a support region here that has been proving stubborn. So, and of course guys, like I always tell you guys, once this gets to the resistance zone and it is switching from an uptrend into a downtrend, what you should do is to set your stop loss a little bit above the resistance zone and wait for the downtrend signal and of course the sell signal. This is the downtrend signal at this spot. You can either use this or you use this anyone. Okay, downtrend signal is the red color, and of course we got our sell signal, which is the sell arrow at this point. Then you relax because you have already set your stop loss. Okay, so if it's going to break out above this resistance zone, it should get to your stop loss and it will help you to reduce the loss which you can get if the trade goes the other way round. Okay, it is as easy as that. In this situation, you can see it pushed through and broke out from this support region, and of course it sold for a very long time. A signal, and check it out. try to pull back because this happened to be a support region also, but it went back down to break out below it, which is normal. Okay, that is why I always ask you to use stop loss each time you get to a resistance zone and it is switching from an uptrend into a downtrend, or a support zone and it is switching from a downtrend into an uptrend. Okay, in this situation, since you are already in big profit, it is either you close your sell signal at this spot, or probably you lock up 80% of your profit to see if 20% of it can still give you more profit. Okay, this pullback, if it didn't get to your stop loss, it will break out below it and give you more profit, and you will still be in profit right now. Okay, so right now this has got into this support region. It has not been able to break out from there. It is switching from a downtrend into an uptrend. Okay, we are not sure if it's going to go back and misbehave and break out below the support zone, but for now it is giving us a green light, which happened to be a buy signal and a new trend. Okay, which is a buy trend and uptrend. Okay, so all you just need to do is just to place the stop loss here, and of course set your entry point to this, come in at this port. Okay, and of course you enjoy the trade to see if you will make more profit right from there. Let's see other assets to see if we can get the same thing from there. Okay, before we do that, let me check it out on 30 minutes time frame also. Reanalyze it also on 30 minutes time frame. This is 30-minute time frame. Let's check it out together. This is it on 30-minute time frame. Okay, you can see on 30-minute time frame, it reduced the number of trades it gave to us because it was an uptrend before, got to the resistance zone, wasn't able to break out from there. So you set your stop loss and set your entry points when you saw the arrow, the right arrow, and the downtrend. So you set your stop loss somewhere here. This time around, you set your stop loss somewhere here because this is the resistance zone. So if it's above the resistance zone, and you can see it sold till it got to this particular spot. That's so amazing and so beautiful, and you will enjoy every bit of it. Okay, you can see that it works also very well on 30 minutes time frame. Now let's check out H1. The same asset, I am not changing it. So you can see that you can use this strategy to trade any asset on any time frame. Okay, so this is it on H1. Okay, I love using H1 also, most especially if I want to have a very long trading opportunity. So for H1, you can imagine if you had been in the market right here, got to the resistance and was unable to break out from there. We got our downtrend signal at this point, and we also got our sell arrow at this point. So what do you need to do? Just put your stop loss at the top of the resistance zone, a little bit above it, and of course this should be your entry points. Okay, and you can see your entry point, your stop loss, and it is still selling. It has broken out from here, so this is still selling, guys, and we have a lot of profits to milk out from here. Guys, we have a lot of profit to make out from here. So like we are saying, this is still going to be more of a downtrend than an uptrend. The reason is we have more to make out from here. It might give us a little pullback right here, which might be a major reversal on lower time frame, but it will still come down and sell, because if you should notice, it is on downtrend already, and right here it broke the structure around here. Okay, and of course to give us more selling opportunity like this. So definitely right here is also another structure, so it's going to go up a bit, then it will now come back to break this. If it breaks this, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should take note of all these and use it to build the market right from there. This is GainX 1200. We can check other assets too. This time around I'm going to go over to Paynex to see how it works on Paynex, so that we get to have a better understanding of it. Okay, this is Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. If we should notice right here, it got to the resistance zone. It switched from an uptrend into a downtrend. So what do you need to do? You set your stop loss to somewhere here above the resistance zone, then set your entry point to somewhere here where you add your downtrend signal and of course your sell arrow and check it out. It will give you all these profits. All these are spikes trading on Paynex. Okay, it will give you all these profits. Okay, so that's so amazing. So it got to this support zone. Try to go back on uptrend, got to this region. If you even decide to trade this, you will make profit because this is 15-minute time frame, and this actually went as far as getting to this region. And right from there, it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend again. So if you still decide to trade these also, you will still sell to till it got to this region. And of course, if you should notice, I threw out a trend line. The reason is I noticed that it is whenever it gets to this region, it pulls back. Okay, so you can still buy right from here till it gets this time around. Once it is approaching this trend line, you close your trade. But you can see it's even broke out from there a bit. Okay, which is giving us another trend line movement. Okay, which happened to be this for the next movement. Okay, you can see it's changed from an uptrend to a downtrend, and it's so till it got to this region. So right from there, it's picked it up again, and of course switch from a downtrend into an uptrend. So you can place another order here and buy. But watch out for this trend line because it is a trend support line. I mean resistance line rather. Okay, a resistance trend line rather. Okay, and of course it broke out above it to give us more buying opportunity. If you actually watch my video reviews yesterday night, I told you once it breaks out from here, it should get to this particular spot. It should get to this particular spot. Check it out, it has achieved it. And if it breaks out from here, we have the whole of this place to milk. So definitely it should get to this particular spot. So this is still very much on uptrend and it is still buying. Okay, so this is very very important. Okay, so that is that about gain Paynex 999. You can see how beautiful it is. If you are coming at this point, this is the profit you will be getting right now. It is as simple as that. Now let's check out an asset that does not have the future of spikes trading. Okay, so this is FX volume 80. Okay, so we're going to be checking FX volume 80 on 15-minute time frame, 30-minute, and 1 hour time frame also. Okay, so this actually started an uptrend somewhere here. You can see this is where it started fully, but got to this resistance zone. It sold for a while before going back on uptrend again. Okay, so gave us the buy signal, and of course you set your stop loss. Let me use this as an example. It gave us a buy signal, an uptrend signal. Set your stop loss below the support region, and of course place your order. Immediately you get your buy arrow, which is this. You can see stop loss. This gave us this profit, sold for a while, and of course gave us another signal here, which you can easily set your stop loss to somewhere here for this particular signal, and of course a buy signal somewhere here, and check it out. It's bought till it got to the resistance zone. Okay, right now it's switched from an uptrend into a downtrend. Okay, so what you need to do, set up your sell signal, I mean your stop loss somewhere here, and your sell order should be after you have gotten the arrow signal and the downtrend signal. So you set up your order and check it out. This will still be in profit. Now let's check this out on 30-minute time frame. I hope you are enjoying this training, guys. I hope you are enjoying this training. So you can see this is it on 30 minutes time frame. You can see it is very clear, guys. It is very clear. So you set up your stop loss right here, and you set up your entry point order. So you can see this is still giving us profit. The same thing if we had gone for a buy signal. Okay, so let's say you decide to go for buy signal. Set up your stop loss here, and of course buy signal here, and check out. This will have given you a lot of profit till here. Now let's check it on 1 hour time. Okay, just for you to see that you can trade both on lower time frame and on higher time frame. Okay, on 1 hour time frame, the trend is just starting here. Okay, so what do you need to do? You set up your entry point right here, and of course your stop loss shouldn't be this because this is 1 hour time frame. This is a whole lot of money. Okay, if you are setting up your stop loss here, so what do you need to do? You improvise. You set your stop loss immediately after the arrow. Okay, so you can see this is giving us a lot of profit at the moment, and once it breaks out from here, more profit because we have free money that we can actually milk right from here. Okay, so that's so amazing. So this is still, I mean, it will be heading towards this. For those of you who want to trade, it will be getting to this first, and if it breaks out from there, then it should be getting to this. Okay, this might not happen today. In short, it will not happen today. Okay, so it might take some days, a week, or probably more, okay, before it will achieve this because there will also be pullbacks in between. That's just the bitter truth. But the funniest thing is you can be in this market for a week and be in huge profit right from there. So far, you understand the signals, okay? And that is the beautiful part of it, okay? So that is it. So guys, this is it. It is as simple as that. All you just need to do is just to understand how it works. It has given us a downtrend signal already, giving us a sell signal, and of course, just follow the instructions. Set up your stop loss, set up your order, relax, and allow the market to play out. It is as simple as that. I will be stopping right here in case you're joining me for the first time. I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, all you just need to do to get amazing information like this is to subscribe to the channel. And of course, you can also share the opportunity with friends and family. Also like the videos. It will help the video to go viral so that more people can also benefit from it. If you have any question at all, you can drop your question in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. And of course, guys, if you are not within the Telegram channel, you are missing a lot. I will advise you to do that in order for you to get free signals for yourself right there within the Telegram channel. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.